Hello everyone. So today I'll be talking about Tenable Nessus Essentials. So Nessus is a network vulnerability scanner. There are various network vulnerability scanners, but Nessus is one of the best because of its most successful GUI. Therefore, it is widely used in multiple organizations. It utilizes common vulnerabilities and exposures, CVE engineering for simple cross connecting between agreeable security instruments. It also utilizes Nessus attack scripting language, which is NASL, a basic language which portrays singular dangers and potential assaults. There are many noteworthy abilities of Nessus, like its compatibility with all of the operating system. It scans for vulnerabilities in the local and remote host. It informs about missing security in detail. It applies various attacks in order to pinpoint a vulnerability. It can schedule security audits and it can run security tests. So installing or downloading Nessus is very easy. What we have to do is we have to go to this Nessus download site, and then we have to choose what platform we want to install our Nessus on. We can install it on Windows or Linux, various Linux distributions. So here I'm using Kali Linux, which is Debian based. So I installed the Linux Debian version here, this one. So this is how the Nessus dashboard looks like. If I want to conduct a new scan, I'll simply click on the new scan one, and it has shown me various scan templates. So I can go to the host discovery one to run a simple scan, which will tell me which hosts are live and what are the open ports present in them. If I want to simply find out which hosts are live, I can run a ping only discovery. I can run a basic network scan, a credential validation one, an advanced scan, advanced dynamic scan, a malware scan, which will tell me if there are any sort of malware present in my Windows or Unix system. I can run a agent reset one. I can run web application test, credential patch audits, active directory starter scan, or if I want to find some sort of vulnerabilities in my AI, LLM, or ML related machines. So there are also other scans available, but they are not available for free in the Nessus Essential version. So what I did was I ran a basic network scan of my Kali machine itself. So let's see what are the vulnerabilities present in it. So as you can see, it has given me 13 critical vulnerabilities, 28 high, 6 medium, 2 low, and 85 informational. So let's go to the vulnerability tab. It has listed all the vulnerabilities present and given some of the remediations too. So let's go to one of the vulnerability. So it has given me 4 SSL related vulnerabilities. One of them is medium with a CVSS score of 6.5, and others are simply informational. So if I click on one of the vulnerabilities, it has given me a good big description and a solution, a few references, and the output, which tells me whether the vulnerability that they have found is actual or not, whether it is true positive or whether it is false positive. It also gives me the port to tell me on which particular port they found this vulnerability. And in the right section, they give the plugin details and the risk information. For example, the CVSS base score was 6.5, the risk factor was medium. What I can do is, if I feel like I have to share this with someone else, I can simply go to the report and download a report here too. So I can download my report in a HTML, PDF, or CSV format, and I can download it in 4 different ways. I can download either a complete list of vulnerabilities by host, a detailed vulnerabilities by host, a detailed vulnerabilities by plugin, or simply vulnerability operations. I personally like the third one because it gives me a particular vulnerability description and the hosts present, same as shown here. So I have downloaded the vulnerability by plugin, and if I go to the table of contents of this report, they have shown me all the vulnerabilities that they have found. And if I simply go and click on any of these, I can again get a good description, references, solutions, CVSS code, what are the CV IDs related to it, and the plugin output, which tells me in which IP they found this vulnerability and on what ports. So, this was a brief introduction of Nessus. Thank you.